Attention contractors and industry entrepreneurs. Hurricane Michael created $40 billion plus in property damage and counting. Like an EF3 tornado, but 100 miles long by 100 miles deep. Literally miles of roof and property damage. Hundreds of thousands of roofs will need to be replaced across the Panhandle of Florida and into Georgia and Alabama, as well as many other trades on the building's exteriors. Thousands of properties will need to be completely rebuilt from the ground up along the coast. These property owners need contractors like you. If you're planning to work Hurricane Michael, you're going to need to get yourself and your team quickly prepared for massive success.
Hey guys, Anthony Medico, SVG. I'm here with Justin, the Roof King Newton.
What's up, guys?
We're actually in Inlet Beach, Florida. We're about 30 miles?
Maybe, give or take.
From Ground Zero, Panama City, one of the Ground Zeros. I mean, Mexico Beach got hit a lot worse.
Yeah, that's definitely Ground Zero.
That's quadrant off now with the National Guard. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna head into Panama City Beach. Justin's been out here for a couple days now, him and his crew. They've signed up some 82 properties. Emergency repairs, shrink wrap, tarped them in, protected them, been working hard. We're going back in, now it's day 3 for you.
Yep, it is.
One of the challenges for contractors coming into a situation like this, first of all, it's mass chaos. Getting a little less fun as we roll into the serious area here where it's Ground Zero. A lot of times us roofing company, owners and entrepreneurs get a little excited about these storms.
Yeah, for sure.
We get excited about replacing roofs. You get down here, you're starting to see real damage. Damaged gutters there. You got debris hitting the gutters.
Yes.
It's going to qualify new gutters all the way around. That's a discontinued shingle. Do you know what that means?
They don't make them anymore?
They don't make it anymore. It's going to be out of code. There's a huge code change in 2006, another one in 2007.
Get the SVG U Florida Hurricane Wind Virtual Training Course, where you can learn the following: how to assess wind damage on properties, performing dry-in and emergency repairs, understanding Florida codes and statutes, winning the adjustment process in Florida.
Starting to see insurance adjusters out.
Yes.
Have you had any adjustments?
I've seen one adjuster out here.
Getting your estimate and price approved with the insurance carriers. Understanding how to apply the 25% code upgrade rule.
So if we find 25% repairability or a 25% repair factor on a roof, regardless if it's discontinued.
Applying Florida matching law to property assessments. Mobilizing your team and office for success and chaos. Dominating key areas to maximize your time, energy, and cash flow. How to use the Florida AOB and secure the deal. How to ink 100 contracts in 7 days or less. And how to set up and hire key positions to scale and succeed working hurricanes in the state of Florida. And much, much more. Get the full course and hundreds more like it inside SVGU Virtual Training Platform for industry contractors, entrepreneurs, key managers, and sales associates that want to succeed in a $100 billion storm restoration industry. Get the demo or sign up today. Booyah, baby.